And today I'm gonna show you a hair patch, how it looks like and what it is made up of, to clear your doubts that what exactly is a hair patch. So a hair patch is made of absolutely natural hair, and I have a really premium and VIP piece right now with me. This has a side which is like a PU base, very clean, and when this sits on your hair, it gives you the absolutely natural look that you want to have. For example, the natural look which you are looking at me right now, I am already using one of those. And if I show you more closely, you will see a netting here. This net is nothing but a breathable base which can let the water seep in as well and touch your head. And when we fix this to you, we remove the front part so that the natural hair from the bottom comes up, and this will give you the absolutely natural look that you were looking for a very long time for yourself. And I believe, if I have to say, hair patch is the best solution for the hair fall that we see in day-to-day life, because as you are aware, hair transplant is a much longer procedure, much painful procedure, and takes a lot of time and money out of you before giving you any shape. But this thing we can give you in 2 hours, which will give you the best shape and size of your life. And also, this patch is not a light thing. It stays with you for a long time when it is taken care well, and we will train you, help you to tell you how you need to take care of your patch. This requires some help from us initially, but after that you are so much get friendly with this patch that this will change the way of your life, how you live. And friends, this is one of the VIP patches that we sold. It's the most running item, and because of the reason, the side base that it has a lot of strength and sticking to your head, that it gives you the natural look that you can see on my face right now.